Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Capital Requirement Calculator for funding healthcare costs and how to estimate the investment capital needed to generate dividend income for medical expenses. To begin with, identify the amount you want to cover each month. Healthcare costs may include hospital bills, doctor visits, medications, insurance premiums, medical equipment, or long-term care. In this example, the target monthly healthcare cost is $250. Next, convert the monthly amount into an annual income requirement. Since there are 12 months in a year, multiply $250 by 12. As a result, the portfolio needs to generate $3,000 in dividend income per year. After that, choose an expected dividend yield based on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. A lower yield normally requires more capital, while a higher yield requires less capital. However, higher yield investments may carry greater risk, so the expected yield should be realistic and sustainable. Then, apply the main formula. Capital required equals annual income needed divided by the expected dividend yield. Therefore, the $3,000 annual healthcare target is divided by the selected yield to estimate the required investment amount. For example, at a 3% dividend yield, divide $3,000 by 0.03. This means approximately $100,000 of capital may be required. Similarly, at a 4% yield, the estimated capital requirement becomes $75,000. At a 5% yield, approximately $60,000 may be needed, while a 6% yield would require about $50,000. Furthermore, if the expected yield is 8%, the calculated capital requirement falls to approximately $37,500. Nevertheless, an 8% yield may involve greater uncertainty, so investors should carefully examine dividend safety before relying on it. In addition, taxes should be included in the plan because the dividend income received after tax may be lower than the amount shown in the basic calculation. Therefore, investors may need additional capital to produce the desired net healthcare income. Inflation is another important consideration because healthcare expenses may rise over time. As a result, the monthly income goal should be reviewed regularly, and the portfolio may need to generate growing dividends to maintain purchasing power. Moreover, dividend safety should remain a priority. Investors should focus on companies or funds with stable earnings, strong cash flow, manageable debt, and a reliable dividend payment history. A high yield is not helpful if the dividend is later reduced or suspended. At the same time, diversification can reduce risk. Instead of depending on one company or industry, the portfolio may be spread across different dividend stocks, exchange-traded funds, sectors, and asset types. This helps reduce the financial impact of weakness in a single investment. Additionally, reinvesting dividends can help the portfolio grow faster when the healthcare income is not yet needed. Reinvested dividends purchase more shares, which may generate additional income in the future. Regular savings can also improve the plan. By adding new capital consistently, investors may reach the required portfolio amount sooner and avoid depending entirely on investment returns. Furthermore, the portfolio should be reviewed at least once a year. During each review, check the dividend payments, yield, payout ratios, company performance, healthcare cost target, tax impact, and sector allocation. If necessary, rebalance the portfolio or replace weaker investments. Overall, this calculator shows that funding $250 of monthly healthcare costs may require approximately $100,000 at a 3% yield, $75,000 at 4%, $60,000 at 5%, $50,000 at 6%, or $37,500 at 8%. The main takeaway is that lower yields require more investment capital, while higher yields require less capital but may involve more risk. Therefore, the most effective plan should balance income, dividend safety, diversification, inflation protection, and long-term growth. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or medical advice. Dividend payments and investment returns are not guaranteed, and healthcare expenses, taxes, and market conditions may change over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.